everyone, today we are going to talk about UV chamber maintenance tips for long-term performance. A UV chamber is a valuable tool for testing how materials react to sunlight to make sure it works well for years. Regular maintenance is very important. A well-maintained UV chamber gives accurate results and avoids sudden breakdowns. Here are some simple maintenance tips to keep your UV chamber in top condition. First, clean the chamber regularly. Dust, dirt or test material particles can collect inside the chamber. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the interior after every few tests and avoid using water and harsh chemicals. Second, check and replace UV lamps. UV lamps get weaker over time. Even if they are glowing, their UV output may drop. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to check lamp power and replace them on time for accurate results. Third, monitor temperature and humidity settings. Always ensure that the chamber is maintaining the correct test temperature and humidity. Calibrate the sensor regularly to avoid wrong readings. Fourth, inspect seals and gaskets. Door seals and gaskets should be tight and clean. If they are loose or cracked, replace them to avoid temperature or light leakage. Fifth, keep the air vents clear. Blocked air vents can lead to overheating or poor airflow. Clean them regularly to allow proper ventilation during testing. Sixth, check for software updates. If your UV chamber has digital controls, check for software or firmware updates. Updated software can improve performance and fix issues. Seventh, schedule annual servicing. Even if everything seems fine, it's a good idea to get your chamber checked by a professional technician once a year. Maintaining your UV chamber doesn't take much time, but it can save you from bigger repair costs and incorrect results. With regular cleaning, lamp checks, and timely servicing, you can keep your UV chamber running smoothly for years. Want a reliable UV chamber that's easy to maintain? Visit Pacorr.com for high quality and long-lasting testing solutions. And you can call us 888-2149230.